Have you ever wondered what would happen if the biggest enemy was not the people around you, but your own memory? Imagine waking up every day knowing that someone is deciding which part of your life you are allowed to remember. That's exactly where Silo take us in season 3, episode 3. And this episode changed everything we thought we knew. Jolette is no longer willing to accept the lies surrounding her. Even though everyone believes she is recovering, she secretly realizes something is terribly wrong. The people she once trusted are watching every move she makes, and the deeper she digs, the more dangerous the truth becomes. Meanwhile, other mystery unfold hundreds of years in the past, revealing that the conspiracy surrounding the silos may have started long before anyone imagined. So grab a seat because today we are breaking down Slow Season 3 Episode 3, explaining the biggest mystery, hidden detail, the shocking ending, and what it all means for Episode 4. After the shocking revolution in Episode 2, Jolette begins to realize that her missing memories are not an accident. Someone has been controlling what she remembers, and every conversation feels carefully planned. Instead of quietly following instruction, she decided it's time to investigate on her own. One clever detail appeared almost immediately. Juliet secretly stopped taking the memory suppressing medicines she is being given to everyone else. It looks like she is still cooperating, but in reality, she is starting to think like the old Juliet again. It's a small act of rebellion, but it changed the entire direction of the episode. As her memories slowly become clearer, Juliet starts asking unforgettable questions. She contacts people connected to the resistance, hoping someone know where Lucas Cal disappeared to. Every answer points toward one mysterious location that keeps appearing again and again, the mines. At first, it seemed strange. Why would the mines matter so much? But in Silo, nothing is ever random. The mines are not just a workplace. They may be hiding secrets that the leaders have protected for generations. Juliet realizes that whatever Lucas discovered down there frightened the people in power enough to make him disappear. Another important character began to stand out in this episode, Camel Sims. Earlier in the season, she appeared calm and supportive, but episode 3 revealed a much darker side. Camille is not simply following orders anymore. She finds herself trapped between protecting the silo and protecting innocent lives. The mysterious algorithm continues influencing every major decision, forcing her to choose whether loyalty is more important than humanity. One of the most fascinating ideas introduced this season in that memory itself has become a weapon. In most science fiction stories, people fight using guns or advanced technologies. In Silo, the most dangerous weapon is controlling what people remember. If you erase someone's past, you also erase their identity, their relationship, and even their reason for fighting. Episode 3 explores this idea brilliantly. Meanwhile, Sheriff Billings continues putting together pieces of another mystery. His investigation slowly uncovers suspicious events connected to the underground tunnel. Every clue suggests that someone inside the government is hiding much more than ordinary cooperation. The deeper Billings investigates, the more dangerous his position becomes. As Juliet keeps searching, she realizes several people are lying to her. Every conversation feels rehearsed. Every answer creates even more questions. Instead of discouraging her, those lies convince her she is finally moving in the right direction. The episode also spent time in the timeline before the silo existed, and these scenes become even more important than many viewers expected. Congressman Daniel Keeney and journalist Helen Drew continue uncovering evidence connected to the mysterious government operation. What initially looked like separate stories now clearly appear connected. Both timelines involve memory manipulation, hidden information, and powerful organizations deciding who deserve to know the truth. One emotional moment arrives when Daniel discovered disturbing records connected to the disaster involving his sister. These recordings suggest the official explanation never told the full story. Instead of receiving answer, Daniel only uncovered an even larger conspiracy stretching far beyond a single accident. Back inside the silo, Juliet's determination becomes impossible to ignore. She refuses to stay in bed pretending to recover. She starts visiting people personally, connecting clues and following every lead toward Lucas Cal. Each conversation builds suspense because we know someone is always watching her. That's one reason why episode 3 feels faster than the first two episodes. Instead of simply introducing mysteries, the story finally began connecting them. Juliet's investigation, Billing's discoveries, Camille's impossible choices, and Daniel's investigation all start pointing toward the same hidden truth. And then comes phrase, the biggest question of the episode. What exactly hidden inside the mines? The show does not answer it completely, but it becomes obvious that Lucas discovered something that before disappearing. Whatever he learned threatened the entire system that keeps the silo under control. As Juliet gets closer to finding him, the danger around her increased dramatically. Now let's talk about the ending because this is where the episode completely changed the direction of the season. By the final act, Juliet has made one crucial decision. She refuses to let anyone else control her mind. She is no longer blindly following orders. And by secretly rejecting the memory suppressing drugs, she becomes the biggest threat to the entire system. The algorithm recognizes that Juliet is not just asking questions anymore. She is starting to remember, and that's exactly what people in power have feared all along. At the same time, Lucas is finally found after hiding in the mines. But before Juliet can safely reach him, Camille authorizes poison gas to flush him out. Instead of letting Juliet die, Lucas risks his own life to save her, proving that even after everything they have been through, their bond remains strong than the lies surrounding them. The episode ends with Juliet surviving, but only just, and the algorithm deciding that her continuous existence threatens the stability of Silo 18. Camille is then given the chilling order to eliminate Juliet. This ending is not really about whether Juliet lives or dies, it's about one powerful idea. The truth has become more dangerous than the outside world. For years, everyone believed that greatest danger was beyond the silo walls. But episode 3 revealed that the real danger is knowledge. The moment people began remembering the past and question authority, the entire system started falling apart. The flashback with Daniel Kinney and Helen Drew reinforced the same message long before the silo existed. Powerful people were already hiding information and manipulating the truth. The conspiracy did not begin underground. It started in the world above. Looking ahead, episode 4, things are about to become even more intense. First, Juliet will almost certainly recover more of her memory after reconnecting with Lucas. That reunion could unlock pieces of the past that have been suppressed, giving her the answer she has been searching for. Fans are already speculating that this meeting will become a major turning point. Second, Camille now faces an impossible choice. Will she obey the algorithm or try to kill Juliet? Or will she finally rebel against the system? She is severed for so long. Episode 3 showed crack in her loyalty, so episode 4 could reveal where she truly stands. Third, Sheriff Bling's investigation is likely to uncover even more secret inside the mines. The evidence he is finding suggests the conspiracy reached far beyond a single missing person. And finally, Apple's official synopsis for episode 4 hints that Camille's escape will lead Juliet to a shocking discovery. While Daniel Kinney seeks help for an ally in the past timeline, that suggests both storylines are about to reveal major pieces of all the overall mystery. Overall, Silo Season 3 Episode 3 is the strongest episode for the season so far. Instead of answering every mystery, it raises the stakes by showing that memory itself is the battlefield. Juliet has stopped accepting the lies around her. Lucas is finally back. The algorithm has marked Juliet as its greatest threat, and the war for the truth has officially begun. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because next week we will be back with another detailed breakdown of Silo Season 3, Episode 4, including hidden details, ending explained, and new theories you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.